today the Russians start using new type of drone. So I'd like to point your attention to this drone, and this is new anti-drone drone, which main purpose of this drone is to discover and to destroy Ukrainian reconnaissance drone and the drone of type of Baba Yaga in the sky. So this drone use AI, and this is how exactly this drone works. So first you need to show this drone probably a target in the sky, and then you can release the drone and drone began hunting. So in this video we can see how Russians sent a drone with the purpose to destroy reconnaissance drone that was flying above the territory of the Russian Federation. And when the drone discovered the target, it destroyed Ukrainian drone immediately. So this is the situation, and this is the first video that was published by the Russians during the previous 48 hours. This is obviously a game changer drone, because if the Russians are able to start producing hundreds of these drones, this can lead to complete collapse of Ukrainian air superiority, if they have ever any drone superiority, and the Russians will establish their own drone superiority. In this video we can see another episode how the Russians were using this anti-drone drone. Ukrainians sent most likely another reconnaissance drone that was flying above probably the city of Selidova, or probably somewhere in the vicinity of Pokrovsk, but then the Russians sent this anti-drone drone, and this drone destroyed Ukrainian one. So this is very interesting, and we expect that we're going to see more and more videos of this type.
And lightweight solution to neutralize mini drones in a tactical environment.